Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the undo and redo commands in AutoCAD. These are essential tools that can greatly improve your workflow and help you manage changes easily while working on your designs. Let's start with the undo command. If you want to reverse your most recent action, you can use the keyboard shortcut. On Windows, press Ctrl Z, and on Mac, press Command Z. You can repeat this multiple times to undo several actions step by step. Another way to undo is using the Quick Access toolbar. Just click the Undo button and your last action will be removed. This is useful if you prefer using the mouse instead of the keyboard. You can also use the command line for more control. Type Undo or simply U and press Enter. This allows you to undo multiple actions at once by specifying how many steps you want to go back. Now, let's move to redo. If you undo something and want to restore it, you can use redo. On Windows, press Ctrl Y, and on Mac, press Command Shift Z. You can also click the redo button on the Quick Access toolbar to bring back the last undone action. If you prefer the command line, type redo and press Enter to repeat the last undone action. One important thing to remember is that redo only works immediately after using undo. If you perform any other action, you will lose the ability to redo. Using undo and redo effectively gives you better control over your work, saves time, and helps you correct mistakes quickly. Subscribe to my channel.